Welcome back to my channel, dolls, and today we are here to create a very extra glitter cut crease. Now this is the look that I wore for New Year's. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. If you guys are interested in that video, I'll link it down below. But today I will be using my Morphe James Charles palette. Now I am going for a bold smoky eye type of look, so I will be grabbing that purple and putting that right above my crease. You just want to go ahead and blend that out. Next, I'll be grabbing that lighter purple to blend the edges out of that dark purple. So now I will be using some black eyeshadow. This is just some shadow that has some glitter in it, so that's why I chose this one. But I'm going to go ahead and pack that all over my lid. I looked up so I would know how far to put that black. Now I really wanted an intense look, so I had to pack that color on, and while doing so I kind of got it all over my face. So I am going to clean that up right after I make sure I blend all of that out. So I always like to blend out with the previous brush that I just finished using. So that is the blush that I used the purple with. And here's our finished look. No, you guys, I'm just kidding. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this makeup off of my face with a baby wipe. I absolutely love to use baby wipes, you guys, like for everything. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and grab my NYX glitter primer and just pack that all over that black eyeshadow, and then I'm going to follow with a multicolored glitter. I got it at a beauty supply store. It was really cheap, and I'm just packing that all over that primer, and then I'm going to go back and pack on glitter with a smaller brush to get even more precise. And once I have my glitter applied, I go in with that same purple fluffy brush that I applied that purple with, and I just blend that out. Alright, so now it is time for eyeliner. I'm using my e.l.f. liquid liner. Now, starting out doing this liner, I wanted a thin line because I was going to do dramatic lashes. But after applying my lashes, I realized that I wanted a wing. So I'm going to add a wing because it's just not popping out enough with these lashes. So I did go ahead and add that wing. So now it is time to finish the rest of my face. I'm using my Tarte face primer. Now for foundation, I'm using my Makeup Forever HD stick, and I'm just buffing that out with my foundation brush. And for concealer, I'll be using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I am transitioning into using a new concealer because one of my favorites has went out of stock. So I will be contouring with my Black Radiance contour palette. And now I'm just going to blend that out with that same brush, and then go back in with my foundation brush to blend everything out. So now to set that contour, I will be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deepest, applying this with a fan brush. This is just to bring that bronzy look back into my face. Now girl, you know we gotta blend, so you can never blend too much. And make sure you do not forget your nose, ladies. I promise you it makes a difference if you do or you don't do your nose. So to sharpen my contour, I will be taking my Pro Girl concealer and kind of just lining that contour. I like a sharp look, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with my beauty blender. And now we set everything. I will be using my Airspun setting powder and just applying that to all of those areas that I highlighted. And I waited a few minutes, and then I'm just going to brush away that excess powder. Should I go back in and blend? Yep, go ahead, girl. Blend it. Now it's time for some blush. I will be taking my BH Cosmetics Iris Blush Palette and just putting a little bit of light blush. I didn't want a lot. Now, if you guys can recommend some blush palettes for me, let me know down below. So now it is time to go ahead and highlight one of my favorite processes. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome in the color Molten Gold. And I'm just highlighting all of those areas that I want that light to hit. So now to finish our smoky eye, I'm going back in with that dark purple and just going underneath my lid. And I will also go back into the lighter purple and add that as well. And then I will top it out with a black eyeshadow. Now for mascara, I will be using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and I'm just going to pop that on my lower lashes as well as my upper lashes to camouflage into those falsies. So moving on to lips, I will be taking my lip pencil in the color Chestnut. I just got this from a beauty supply store, and just aligning my lips. And then I will be using my Maybelline Shine Compulsion in the color Taupe Seduction, and this was just to add a little bit more of a pink color to my lips. And then I went in with my NYX lip cream in the color Zurich. Now I'm going to top this with a gloss. This gloss has a lot of specks of glitter in it, so I'm just popping that on, and I'm going to use my NYX setting spray, and here's my finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in the hair that I'm wearing, make sure you check out my install video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.